So today, it's raining outside. Can't really do too much. But I actually forgot I had these SHELBY decals that actually go on the front splitter, right? And excuse the light, I'm actually gonna let up the garage here soon so we can get a little bit of extra light in here because that doesn't do too much. Not really sure how to install these. I don't know if they came with instructions or not. I'll open it here in a second. I did bring some alcohol, right? I washed her yesterday, uploaded that video already. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take alcohol, use a cotton swabs, and I'm going to further clean that area just to make sure there's no any type of grease or any other type of residue on there that's gonna prevent the adhesion of the letters, okay? So that's the game plan. So let's just go ahead and get to it. So they actually gave me 2 sets. I'm trying to zoom in so you can see that. So 2 sets, possibly 3 actually. Hold on, what's on the back of this? Oh, that's dope. Okay, so they gave you 3 sets just in case you mess up. So I'm assuming that assuming that you're gonna actually mess up. And this other thing is just, looks like it's oh, okay. So this is for, I'm assuming, because I'm just thinking about like phone screen protectors, things like that. They have little tabs that has it's basically like a sticker. I'm not sure if they meant for you to put this somewhere or if they meant for you to use this to remove lint from the area. It's kind of split into 3 sections. I don't know, you probably can't see that. So I'm just gonna assume that it's meant to get the lint off the vehicle. So that's what I'm gonna do with it. First off, not sure where I got these from. I'm pretty sure I got these from eBay. I've had them for a while. This is the brand. So, eBay or Amazon, okay? Might actually be Amazon because I shop on Amazon a lot. So I'm glad that they actually gave me 3 sets because they're very flimsy, and I wish they were a little bit thicker. I wish they fit a little bit better, okay? Because there's some space, you know, that is very visible, okay? I guess it doesn't look bad. You know, it doesn't look bad at all. I'm not sure how well they will adhese. Maybe I need to probably look up some videos to see what other people have used. I know there's some stuff that you can use to help the adhesion, but I'm not sure. But overall, I guess it doesn't look bad at all. So I guess I'll keep that on there, and yeah, it doesn't look bad at all, especially from a distance. I mean, if you get up close, I mean, I'm sure you'll see some issues with it, but it doesn't look bad at all. It's a good little accent, I suppose. So it does work well with the racing stripes and everything. So short video, but there you go. There you have it.